presenting you La Cucina Vincotto today, which is a restaurant located in Göktürk. So we previously prepared a proposal with our value proposition story of it, revenue model, marketing strategy. To basically sum up, Vincotto is located in Göktürk, which is a really local restaurant. Its owner has taken over the restaurant in 2016, and it's been an ongoing establishment for 9 years. So the revenue model basically includes fixed menus, and it has its own menu, and they also accept group reservations as well. Marketing strategy is mostly based on retenting those local customers who are already living in Göktürk, and with the advantage of new airports establishment, and Vincotto is expecting new acquisition of customers as well. We plotted out a SWOT analysis. You may see the strengths and opportunities from here, but we'd like to concentrate on the weaknesses because when we took over Vincotto, the restaurant did not have a website. It was not presented good on social media, and it was not available in Yemek Sepeti, which basically a lot of people now use. And our focus concern throughout the project was this, and the upcoming investments in the local area along with the new airport is also a threat for the restaurant as well.
Now I will talk about the social media management. What we did first was we managed the Facebook page of the restaurant. It was a total mess in the beginning, but with the help of the owners of the restaurant, we managed the site. Facebook is a really important aspect of their social media, since a lot of their customers are elderly, and Facebook is known to be a social platform for not teenagers but more elderly people. Then we connected the restaurant on TripAdvisor and managed the media there. Our TripAdvisor score is 5 out of 5, which is a remarkable score. With the features of Web 2.0, such as customer interactions, comments, etc., this became a very important aspect since people see that it's a very high-ranking restaurant and make real nice comments about the restaurants and the menus. It became a really big success. Then we managed Foursquare. Again, as you can see, our score is 8.8 out of 10. Since we can manage events, meetups, and birthday parties on Foursquare, it became really popular among the users of the restaurant, since a lot of people tend to regularly meet up there and conduct birthday parties and events at nights. Then we manage the Instagram account. This is the most problematic one for us because the account was previously managed by the owners first. But then when we took over the account, we couldn't really see a big rise in the followers. And
I will talk about how we created the website. First, we reached the past users of the domain, as Göksun mentioned. So they had the password before, and it was a problem for them. So we reached them and got the password and changed the domain name into a better version. We also got a SSL certificate to make the website secure. And this is our website design. We bought it from Wix.com and customized it. We have a landing page and it scrolls with the site our header scroll. We also went to the restaurant and took some professional photos because they had only photos from the customers and the owner of the restaurant. So we, as a group, we went there and with good professional cameras, we took some photos and edited the website. We used to have a lightbox tool for collection, but which appeared in 2 to 5 seconds, but we changed it because it was slowing the website's pace. You can find the call us section in the site already. so we removed it. We have a dynamic social bar, and our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Foursquare, and TripAdvisor is connected with the Vincotto. So as you scroll down the bar, you can see the social accounts as well. In the right top side of the website, we have a instant search box, so you can call the items in the menu easily. And we made it multilingual. The website is available both in English and Turkish.
Now I'm going to talk about our SEO and SEM strategies. We started our Google Ads campaign on 22. And we create business profile for Google. Our campaign goal is increase our website traffic, and our bid strategy is to maximize our clicks. Most of the keywords are broad match. As you can see, we have an upward trend on clicks. For our negative keywords, we have chosen to our competitors' names such as Credo and Pizzeria. And Vincotto is a sort of balsamic vinegar, so this is also our negative keywords.
Now to talk about our ad extensions. These were a really important part of our ad campaign, since this is how the customer sees the ad and this is how it appears. First, as you can see, we added the call extension to create an ease of use to call the restaurant to make reservations or to inquire general information about the restaurant. Then we added the call out extension to call the customers, and as the name suggests, to call out and do the real nice, create a real nice synergy. Then we have the structured snippet extensions, which basically gives the basic infrastructure like Wi-Fi, valet service, cocktails, etc. about the restaurant. And lastly, we added the site link extensions in order to create the shortcuts and the ease of use for the customer as they search for and as they observe the ad. So here you can see the detailed numbers of our ad extensions. The number of impressions, the click-through rates, and the average CPC given here show that we very successfully managed these extensions, and not a big part of our funding went towards adding these extensions, even though they created additional site traffic.
In order to make Google bots scroll into our website, we have created sitemaps via the help of Google Search Console. As you can see, they're all successfully working right now. For our main SEO strategy, we have used the Ahrefs website. We have subscribed and registered as Vincotto, and you can see our ranking is quite high, although it has been dropped lately, but it has been peaked in 3rd of April, which is very high. We have top 4 million websites. Another part of our SEO strategy was creating backlinks. So we again used Ahrefs to see the existing ones, and our existing ones were the ones with quite high domain rating, like 86%, 70%, which were already good. They were providing traffic to our website. As it comes to our CTR rate, it's quite high. It's 3.10%. We can proceed. As you can see, with the help of Workstream, we saw that it was 42% higher than the average in our industry. As our marketing integrations, we have used several other platforms to support the Google AdWords campaign. The first one is Google Data Studio, which is Google Analytics. This is part of our report. Although lately our CTR rate has been fallen down by 0.9%, it's still high. As you can see, at May 20th, it showed a little bit of decrease, but we have managed to it up again. As you can see, we have high impressions, and our average CPC is $0.22. Yes. Another marketing integration that we have used so far is Yandex Metrica. As you can see, it provided us with the data of traffic source. The majority of our traffic comes from ad traffic, which we have been creating via Google Ads. As it comes to our bounce rate, it may strike you as a very high bounce rate, which is 48.8%. But when you take a look at the benchmark bounce rate by industry, you can see that at the top, the food and drink benchmark is 65%, and ours is lower than that, which is a very good sign. Another marketing integration that we have used is CallRail. We have used CallRail to make it provide us with the data, who calls us from the website, who calls us from the ad. And as you can see, the most popular days of hours of the day are between 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. At night. And also the most popular days of the week are Thursday and Saturday mostly. As comparison for Google with the Google Ads, we have used website analysis. We have installed this website analysis into the website as coding. And as you can see, our visitors are day by day increasing, and in some days decreasing, but always maintaining an average percent. Yes. The devices we have used, the devices people have used for access to our websites are mostly mobile phones. As you can see, they are always showing an upward trend. Therefore, we have created a mobile version as well of our website, as you can see. Yes. It is a very mobile-friendly website. The Google Search Console suggests that it's very mobile-friendly, as you can see. At first, with Google, we checked our website speed. It was 3.4 seconds. So, as Jem mentioned before, we removed the Lightbox installation. And we also compressed our pictures because they were all taken with a very professional photographic camera. Therefore, they were taking a lot of space, therefore decreasing the speed of our website. So we made them all JPEG, and then our speed decreased to 2.9 seconds. Google still says that it's slow, but other websites disagree with that. You'll see now. Yes, we can. For example, Gmagic says that we have a page speed score of 8. Yes. One of our main competitors in another town in Istanbul is Damar, and it has a page speed score of F, as you can see. So overall, our Google Ads data is like this. Our clicks, search impression rate, share, and interactions and costs are always showing an upward trend. And our optimization score that Google has provided us is 81. It will be 100, we believe, but we're waiting for conversion tracking to be approved, which is 19% of the optimization score. The key takeaways from this project are we have to make the user engage with the Vincotto social media accounts more, and also Vincotto needs to, Vincotto already has high impression rates, but it needs to increase its engagement more via mobile phones or emails and stuff. And this is our conclusion. Thank you very much for listening.